How many minutes until we reach the zoo?
Leo, you asked that question only 5 minutes ago.
Today, the zoo has a new baby elephant in the exhibit.
A baby elephant! That is so incredible, I cannot wait.
I checked the zoo map online, Teo. There are 8 animal sections.
Great! We should plan which sections to visit first today.
Leo, what is your favorite animal at the zoo today?
The lion. I love how they have a big golden mane. Look! I can see the zoo entrance from here, everyone.
We have arrived!
Get ready to buy our tickets at the entrance.
Good morning. Can we have 4 tickets for the zoo, please?
Of course. That is 2 adults and 2 children, correct? Adult tickets are £15 each. Children are £8.
Here is the money. Thank you very much for the tickets.
Here is your zoo map. It shows all the animal sections.
A zoo map. Now I can find the lions and elephants easily.
We have our tickets. Let us walk through the entrance now.
The zoo is enormous. Look at all the paths and the animals.
This sign says lions are the largest wild cats in Africa.
I did not know that lions are wild cats, Dad. That is fascinating. Look, the lion is right there sleeping so close to us.
Yes, lions sleep up to 20 hours a day in the wild.
Dad, what is the thick hair around the lion's neck called?
That is called a mane. Only male lions have a big golden mane.
Wow, the lion just opened its mouth and made a huge roar. That was a very loud roar. My heart jumped a little there.
Dad, are lions an endangered species in the world today?
Yes, sadly, lion numbers in the wild are getting smaller every year.
I can see a second lion over there. Is that a female lion?
Yes, female lions do not have a mane, says. They look very different.
Lily, can you take a photograph of me next to the lion glass?
Okay, Leo. Smile big. You look just like your lion t-shirt.
Mom, lions are predators, so what do they eat every day?
Lions eat other animals like zebras and wildebeest in the wild.
The lion section was amazing. Can we go to the elephants now?
Absolutely. The elephant exhibit is just around the corner here.
Wow, elephants are so enormous. Much bigger than I imagined.
They really are. Look at that incredible long trunk it has.
What does an elephant use its trunk for? It looks so strange.
An elephant uses its trunk to breathe, drink water, and pick up food.
Why do elephants have such enormous ears on their head?
Their big ears help them cool down. Elephants are very gentle animals.
Oh, look, everyone can see the baby elephant over there.
A baby elephant. It is walking right next to its mother now. Hello, everyone.
Would you like to learn about our baby elephant?
Yes, please. When was the baby elephant born at this zoo?
The baby elephant was born 3 weeks ago. It is a female.
Ooh, does the baby elephant have a name at the zoo yet?
We have not chosen a name for the baby elephant yet.
Can I suggest a name? I think we should call her Sunny today.
That is a wonderful name. We will officially call her Sunny.
I named a real elephant today. This is the best day ever. Goodbye, Sunny. I will come back to visit you very soon.
I am so proud of you, Leo. That was a very special moment.
Those giraffes are so tall, Bid. Their necks reach up to the trees.
Giraffes are the tallest animals in the whole world, you know? Why do giraffes have those big brown spots all over their body?
Their spots are like camouflage. They help giraffes hide in the wild. You can feed the giraffe a leaf, hold it up high for them.
It is eating from my hand. Its tongue is so long and purple. My turn. I am going to feed the giraffe a leaf right now.
Hold it up high, Leo Bear. The giraffe has a very long neck.
Giraffes are taller than elephants, but elephants are much heavier.
Exactly right, Leo. You are learning so much about animals today.
Zebras are black and white with stripes, like a horse in pajamas.
Ha! That is a very funny and clever way to describe a zebra.
Mum, is it true that no 2 zebras have the same stripe pattern?
Yes.
Their stripes are unique, just like our fingerprints are unique.
I can see a hippo in the water, only its eyes and nose are out.
Good eyes, Leo. Hippos love to hide in water and stay cool.
Dad, are hippos more dangerous than lions in the wild today?
Hippos are actually one of the most dangerous animals in Africa.
Penguins! They are so cute and they are walking so funny.
They look like they are wearing a black and white tuxedo. Penguins have wings and feathers, so can they fly in the air?
No, penguins cannot fly. Their wings help them swim underwater instead.
Look at how fast the penguins swim at. They move like rockets underwater.
They are so slow when they walk, but so fast when they swim. This little penguin is looking right at me through the glass.
I think he wants to be your friend, Leo. And he likes you.
It is feeding time now. The penguins love to catch fish.
The penguins are jumping and catching fish right out of the air.
I am not sure I want to go into the reptile house. I hate snakes.
Come on, Lily. The snakes are safely behind thick glass, I promise.
Dad, what makes an animal a reptile? What is the difference?
Reptiles are cold-blooded and have scales on their body, like snakes.
That crocodile is so long to prey, and look at its enormous sharp teeth. Crocodiles are one of the oldest reptile species on the earth.
That python snake is so long there. How long can pythons actually grow?
Some pythons grow over 7 meters long. They are the longest snakes.
Lily, come a little closer. Can you see the pattern on the snake?
Okay, just a little bit closer. Actually, its pattern is quite beautiful.
Yeah.
I actually enjoyed that. I learned a lot about reptiles today.
I knew you would like it. Reptiles are fascinating, right?
That gorilla is just sitting there looking at us. It is so calm.
Gorillas are very intelligent animals. They are related to humans.
Did you see that? The gorilla just picked up a stick as a tool.
Yes, gorillas and chimpanzees are smart enough to use simple tools.
Oh, there is a tiny baby gorilla on its mother's back today.
The baby gorilla is holding on so tightly. That is so sweet.
I read that gorillas are an endangered species in the wild.
Yes, zoos help protect endangered species so they do not disappear.
The bird show starts in 10 minutes, and let us find good seats now.
I want to sit in the front row so I can see the birds up close.
Welcome to our wildlife show. Let us meet our incredible birds today.
This wildlife show is going to be so amazing. Look at those parrots. Hello.
Pretty bird.
Hello.
Hello.
The parrot can actually speak English. That is so incredible.
Now watch as our golden eagle flies directly over your heads.
Oh my goodness, its wings are enormous, so wide and beautiful.
Would any young visitors like to hold a parrot on their arm today?
Please pick me, Day. I absolutely love birds and their feathers.
The parrot is sitting on my arm. Why? I can feel its claws and feathers.
You are so brave, Leo. Tom, take a photograph of this moment now.
Mom, I am starving. We have walked so far around the zoo today. I agree. The zoo cafe is nearby. Let us go and get some lunch.
Hello. What would you like to order from our menu today? Can we have 4 sandwiches and 4 orange juices, please?
My favorite part so far was meeting Sunny, the baby elephant, today.
I named her. Sunny is the best name for a baby elephant ever.
What was your favorite section of the zoo today, Lily?
Honestly, I loved the gorilla area. Gorillas are so fascinating.
Leo, which animal fact did you find most interesting at the zoo?
That hippos are more dangerous than lions in the wild, Ted.
Wow.
Can we please visit the gift shop before we leave the zoo today?
We can look, but every visitor must choose only 1 souvenir each.
There are so many animal souvenirs here. A lion, elephant, and giraffe.
Leo, you need to choose just 1 souvenir today. Remember that.
I am going to buy a small toy elephant and call it Sunny.
Perfect choice. That will be a great memory of today's visit here.
I am buying a gorilla keyring to remember the gorilla exhibit today.
Good choice, Lily. Today was a fascinating trip for all of us.
Goodbye, Sunny. I will come and visit you again. I promise you.
She will always remember her name Leo because you gave it to her.
What an amazing day. My feet are tired, but my heart is very happy.
Today was the best day of my life.
Everybody comfortable? It is time to drive home after a great day.
I am already sleepy, but I do not want to close my eyes yet.
Sarah, what was the most special moment of the day for you?
When Leo named the baby elephant, that was so beautiful to watch.
Yeah.
We are home.
I am going to put my toy elephant Sunny right here on my shelf.
Every time you see her, you will remember the day you named her.
I think the zoo is the most amazing place I have ever visited.
And we will come back again soon, and Sunny will be waiting for us.